Hello everyone, so welcome you all to Shop Tutorials Meghalaya's first MTech channel. So my dear friends, as you know that we have been dealing with the mathematics of class 8, right? And we are dealing specifically with chapter 8. So today we will be continuing exercise 8.4 question number 2, alright? Today we will do question number 2. In the previous video we are done with question number 1. So let us start. So we have to find the product of the given numbers. So how do we do it? Please observe carefully, alright? So first of all, as we did yesterday, what we will do, we'll bring out this first term. So we will write here, alright, we will write here 5, this 5, alright? Then this whole thing I will bring it down here. So it will be 3 plus x, and this minus 2 I will write here, minus 2x, then again this whole thing I will write here, right? 3 plus x. So now we will multiply. What we will do, we will multiply, right? So 5 into 3 is how much? 15. Good. 5 into x is 5x. Then minus into plus is minus. 2 into 3 is 6x, 6x, plus into minus is minus. Then 2x into x is 2x square, right? So any similarities you find here? Yes, you do, right? So these two are similar. So let's bring it down first. 15 here plus or minus, let's see. Alright, 6 minus 5 is how much? 1, right? So we'll just write x here. 1x, then 2x square. So what is this? This is the required answer, right? Well, so let's continue with question number 2, sub number 2, right? So what we have, same thing we have to do here as well. So what do? You bring down this x first, then this whole thing you bring here, that is 7x minus y, then you take this plus 7y here, plus 7y, then multiply this whole thing, that is 7x minus y. Alright, this much you understood? Good. Now we have to multiply. So x into 7x will be 7x square, right? After that, plus into minus is minus, x into y is x, y, right? Then plus into plus is plus, then 7 into 7 is 49, then x into y is x, y, right? Plus into minus is minus, then 7y into y will be 7y square. So any similarities you see out here? Yes, you do again. This one, right? So this one you bring it down as it is, 7x square. Then here 49xy minus 1xy will be plus 48xy, right? Plus 48xy minus 7y square. So this is your required answer, right? See, I'm not telling you like which sign to take here, which sign not to take here, because I've already explained in the beginning, right? So I don't want to say the same thing on and on. So that's why I'm writing the answer directly. I hope you are understanding well. So now let us come to number 3. Number 3 is very easy. So how do we do it? First, again, we will write down this a square here. Then we'll write this whole thing, right? So a plus b whole square. Then plus b will bring here. Then again we will write this thing, a plus b whole square, right? So now we will multiply. Let us see, a square into a will be a cube, right? Because 2a is here and plus 1 will be 3, plus a square into b square will be a square b square, right? Plus b into a will be ab, or ba also you can write, no problem. Plus into minus is plus, plus into plus is plus. Then b into b square will again be b cube, right? So this is what you will get. So is there any similarities you see out here? You don't see, right? So this is your correct answer. So this is your required answer, right? So now let's continue with number 4, right? Number 4. So same thing again, we'll bring down this b square here, b square, then this whole thing here, 2p plus q. Then we will write down this q square here and we'll bring down this thing, 2p plus q, right? Now we will multiply. So p square into 2p will be 2p cube, right? Then plus into minus will be plus, then p square into q will be p square q, alright, plus or minus, then minus into plus is minus, then q square into 2p will be 2pq square, alright. Then again minus into plus will be minus, then q square into q will be q cube, right? Any similarities you see out here? There is no similarities between the terms, right? So this is your required answer. We have come to the end of exercise 8.4, question number 2, sub number 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So this is done. So in the next we are going to do question number 3, right? Question number 3. So now let us continue with question number 3, sub number 1, exercise 8.4. All right, let's continue. So this is also the same thing, simplification we have to do, all right, of this given problem. So how do we do it? Let us see. All right, so as we always write, we will bring x squared down here, then this whole thing we will bring here, right? X plus 5, then now we will take minus 5 here, minus 5, then again this whole thing we will write here, that is x plus 5, then this 25 plus 25, all right. Now we will multiply, so x square into x will be x cube, then plus into minus will be, plus into plus will be plus, then x square into 5 will be 5x, right? 5x square, all right, this much you understood. Then minus into plus is minus, then 5 into x is 5x, all right, plus into minus into plus is again minus, 5 into 5 is 25, then again this plus 25. So now you see, can you cut any of the given terms here? Yes, you can, right? So you can cut this plus 25, minus 25 plus 25, then again I think this one also. Can you cut this as well? Is this possible? Here it is 5x square, right? 5x square, yes, 5x square. Here it is 5x. Here it is 25. Yes, this is not possible. So x cube plus 5x square minus 5x. So this is your required answer. Well, now we have the second one, so let us see how we are going to do it. So again we will write this x here, we'll bring it down, then we'll write whole term 7x minus y, then this plus 7y we'll take here, then we'll write this whole thing again, 7x minus y. Alright, now we will multiply. So x into 7x will be 7x square, right? Minus, plus into minus is minus, and x into y will be x, y, right? Plus into plus is plus, then 7 into 7 is how much? 49, right? 49, then x into y is x, y, right? Plus into minus is minus, then 7y into minus 7y will be 7y square, right? Now, can you do anything about it? Alright, now can you do anything about it? Any similarities you see here? Yes, you do. This one, right? So this one you bring it down as it is, 7x square, then 49xy minus 1xy will be plus 48xy, then again this thing you bring it here, 7y square, right? So this is your required answer. Well, so now we have sub number 3, so let us solve. Again the same thing here, so you bring this t down and whole thing here again, t square minus s, then bring this plus s here, s square, then whole thing here again, t square minus s. Now t into t square will be t cube, right? Then t into t square will be t cube, plus into minus minus, then t into s is st or ts, whatever you like, then plus here, then s square into t square will be s square t square, plus into minus will be minus, s square into s will be s cube, right? So this is your required answer. Well, Now we have sum number 4. So looking at this, looking at this problem, don't get scared. Don't feel scared. Why? Because this is the same thing, right? Same thing, but they have given like in a group. Suppose if I say they have given, see, this is one, then again this one is another, then again this one is another, right? Before they used to give only this to multiply or this, but now they have given everything all together. So no need to be scared, right? Maths phobia we don't entertain. So we have to love mathematics, right? So we will try to solve it in the best possible, easiest way. All right, so let us do it. How do we do? All right, first we will solve this one, then again this one, then again this one. All right, so all the three we will solve. So now let us solve. How do we solve it? So we will bring this down first. So this A, all right, this A we will bring down, right? So A is here, then this whole thing will bring here, C minus D, then again plus B here, then this whole thing again, that is C minus D. All right, I hope it's correct. Yes, it is. Now this second one we will do, this A we will bring down here, then this whole thing, that is C plus D, then this minus B we will bring here, and this whole thing, that is C plus D. All right, this much is clear. Good. Now we will bring this, we'll just multiply this. 2 into A is what? 2AC. 2 into AC is 2AC, right? Plus 2BD. All right, 2BD plus 2BD, right? Now we will multiply. So A into C will be AC, then plus into minus is minus, then A into D is AD, right? Plus into plus is plus. So B into C will be BC, plus into minus is minus, then B into D will be BD, right? Then now we'll bring this one here. So A into C is again AC, then plus into plus is plus, then A into D is AD, right? AD, right? Then this is done. Now this one. So minus into plus is minus, then B into C is BC, then minus into plus is minus, then B into D is BD, right? Now this thing we will write as it is, right? It is plus 2AC plus 2BD. All right, this much is clear. Take it easy, right? Now we will try to see if we can cut anything. Let us see. So yes, we can cut this AD plus AD minus AD, right? So this is gone. Now plus BC minus, sorry, not this one. All right, plus BC minus BC. Then I'll take it to the next step because I don't want you to get confused. So what I will do here, I will write this AC here, right? This term is written now, minus BD, and again another minus BD, right? So 2 minus BD, this is 1, this is 1, right? 2 minus BD we got, this one and this one, plus this thing we will write 2AC plus 2BD. Now observe carefully. Can we cut this 2? Can we? Yes, we can. So we will just cut it off. This 2 minus 2B minus 2BD and plus 2BD we have cut off. Now, right, I have missed this one. There is one more AC here, right? This AC we have not written. So this AC is also there. So I will write here, right? So how many ACs left now? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we have 4 AC as the answer. The next number, all right, that is number 5. So you know how to do it, right? By now I believe you have learned how to do it. So let's do it together. All right, so first see, there are two terms given, this one and this one, right? So this one we have to multiply, then again we have to multiply this one, and this plus will be in between. So now let's write, all right, let's bring this x down and this whole thing here, that is 2x plus y, Then this plus y here and this whole thing once again here, that is 2x plus y, right? Then you bring this plus here and this x down here, x, and this whole thing here, that is x minus y. All right, then this plus 2, see there is no space, so what I will do is I will write here 2y and this whole thing once again. All right, great. I hope this one is clear. Now let us continue. Here we write this x into 2x will be 2x square, plus into plus is plus, x into y is xy. All right, now this one plus, so 2x into y will be 2xy, plus into plus is plus, then y into y is y square, plus then x into x is x square, plus into minus is minus, then x into y is xy, plus this thing now we will write 2y into x will be 2xy, plus into minus is minus, then 2xy will, or 2y into y will be 2y square. So now we will cut the similar terms. We will strike off the similar terms. Alright, so how do we do it? Let's see. This is plus xy, this is minus xy, we have this 2x square, then we have this 2xy and this 2xy. It will become plus 4xy, right? So this is finished, this is finished, this is finished. Now what is left? Y square, 1y square minus 2y square. So we will get, this is bigger, so we'll take minus y square, and this x is left now. Only this x square is left, so we will write here plus x square. So now what do you see here? You see that we can still plus this 2x square and this, so how much we will get? 3x square, right? Then we will have this 4xy minus y square. So this is your required answer. So now we are going to solve number 6. Alright, so let's see how we do it. Alright, so as you know, we will bring down this x here, then this whole thing here, that is x square minus xy plus y square. This much is clear, right? Then again this plus y here, and this whole thing once again here, that is x square minus xy plus y square. So this much you understood, I believe. Then let us continue. X into x square is x cube, then x, then plus into minus is minus, then x into xy will be x square y, then plus into plus is plus, then xy square here, this one and this one, plus y into x square is x square y, plus into minus is minus, then x into minus xy will be xy square, plus into plus is plus, then y into y square is y cube, right? So any similarities or anything you can cut off here, anything. So just have a look nicely, you critically try to observe what can you cut here. So this one we can cut, right? Yes, we can. After that, is there anything we can cut off? Yes, this one and this one, right? Then now what we are left with? We are left with only x cube plus y cube. So this is our required answer. Well, so now we have number 7. Let's try to solve it similarly. So we write here this one, this thing first, right? That is 1.5x, and this whole thing here, that is 1.5x plus 4y plus 3. Then this second part here, minus 4y, then again this whole thing, 1.5x plus 4y plus 3, and this last part here, that is minus 4.5x plus 12y. Alright, so now we will multiply. Now 1.5x into 1.5x, you are going to get if you multiply. So I think I will not multiply because previously I've already taught you, right, how it is going to be. So it will be 2.25x square, right? When you multiply this 2, you're going to get 2.25x square. Then plus into plus is plus. Then 1.5 into 4, you're going to get 60. So when you put the point, it will become 6. So 1.5x into 4y will be 6xy. Alright. Now again, 1.5x into 3, you are going to get plus 4.5x. Alright, this part is done. The first part is over. Now let's do the second part. Minus. So again, this 4 into 1.5, we will get again 6. Then xy, 6xy. Alright, plus into minus is minus. Then 4 into 4 is 16. Y into y is y square. Then minus into plus is minus. Then 4 into 3 is 12. Alright, I write here 12. Then y, 12y. Alright, 12. Y we have. Alright, this line, this minus I'll write here 12y. After multiplying this, then this last part is left, that is minus 4.5x plus 12y. Now we have to observe very carefully what are the things we can omit or we can cut off. So we have here plus 6xy minus 6xy. Then we have minus 12y and plus 12y. Then we have 4.5x plus minus 4.5x. Then we have, what else do we have? So almost everything is gone, right? So we are left with only 2.25x square and minus 16y square, right? So this is what we are left with. So this is the required answer. It's easy and simple, right? Now we have come to the end of this exercise 8.4 and chapter 8 as a whole. So the sum which I will be solving right now is the last sum of this chapter 8, class 8. Alright, so after this we will be proceeding with next chapter. So what chapter we will do, or what chapter would you like me to do, kindly comment in the comment section and let me know what chapter you are expecting from us as in our next video. Alright, so let's continue solving this last exercise. Here, this is the easiest one. I think in one step it will be done. Alright, let's see. So first bring a here, a, and then this whole thing, that is a plus b plus minus c. Then this b you bring here plus b, this b. Then again this whole thing you write here a plus b minus c. Now this c you bring here plus c. Then this whole thing you write again plus a plus b minus c. Written? Clear, right? Now a into a will be a square, right? A into b will be ab, and a minus c will be minus ac. Then plus into plus is plus, b into a is ab or ba, whatever you like. A plus into plus is plus, then b into b is b square, then b into minus c is minus bc, plus a into c is ac, plus into plus is plus, then c into b is bc, then c into minus c is minus c square, right? So is there anything we can cut off? Yes, this one, ac and ac, right? Then bc and bc. Now what are we left with? A square plus, this is 1ab, this is 1ab, so how many ab? 2ab, right? 2ab plus b square minus c square. So to make it look more beautiful, how we will write it? We will write it like a square plus b square minus c square plus 2ab, right? So we believe in beauty, right? So that's why we will write it in this form. Alright, so with this we have come to the end of chapter 8 of mathematics class 8. Alright, So thank you everyone for staying connected with the show tutorials, and any doubt, any clarification, any feedback, you are most welcome to do so, right? So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.